Hello, everyone. Today I will show you the welding process of stainless steel. The welder uses a 1000W handheld laser welding machine equipped with a wire feeder for filler wire welding. Our wire feeder can use stainless steel wire, aluminum wire and other wires with diameters of 0.8 mm, 1.0 mm, 1.2 mm, 1.6 mm. Now the welder used 0.8 mm stainless steel wire for welding operations. The weld formed after welding does not need to be polished, which really saves the welder a lot of time. The welding speed is very fast, 2 to 10 times faster than traditional welding. The next long video, fillet welding.